Chromebook sales have exploded in popularity, so much so that during the pandemic, Chromebooks outsold Macs for their first time in history for an entire year. However, school system administrators were unwittingly buying expired or soon-to-be expired Chromebooks. Somebody didn't do their homework, and this has led to the so-called collection of e-waste. Alright, so one way to avoid all this is to buy a newer Chromebook such as this HP 2023 model. Now keep in mind that the service date will not start from the day that you bought it, but from the day it was manufactured. So for example, this 8-year service Chromebook, say it was manufactured in January, you bought it now September, you will get slightly less than the 8 years of full Google support for the service updates. Now, you can extend the life of this machine if you want to by installing LACROS Linux and Chrome OS. I have installed this on one of my Acer Chromebooks, an older one. It seems to work very well. Now what this does, this separates the built-in Chrome browser from the Chrome operating system. These things are great, easy to use, no maintenance, no malware, no insidious ransomware. It's prevalent everywhere. It's bad, but with the Chromebook, no need to worry. So try a Chromebook if you haven't already. Let me know how this works out for you. Take care.